Honda has officially confirmed the return of the legendary sports coupe, the Honda Prelude, which is expected to debut in 2026. This revival not only recalls the glorious past of the Prelude but also marks a new step forward for Honda in combining sporty performance with advanced hybrid technology. 1. Exterior design, a fusion of the past and present. The 2026 Honda Prelude marks a spectacular return of a legend that once dominated the sports coupe segment for decades. From the very first glance, this model exudes a modern design style while still respecting the distinctive identity that made the Prelude famous in the past. The first highlight lies in its two-door coupe design, a bold choice at a time when SUVs and crossovers are dominating the market. This design not only brings a sporty and distinctive feel but also evokes the strong, sleek image of classic Japanese sports cars from the 1990s. The front end is meticulously crafted with a slim, low-set grille, harmoniously combined with sharp LED headlights that extend to both sides. This design not only enhances recognition but also contributes to the car's aerodynamic efficiency, reducing wind resistance at high speeds. The L-shaped LED daytime running lights add a sharp look, creating a cool and modern feel, especially when the car glides through the night. The hood is designed to be low and elongated towards the rear, seamlessly blending with the body to form a graceful and sensual curve. The smooth, unified shape optimizes airflow and provides a cohesive, solid impression. Prominent character lines running along both sides of the body not only enhance aesthetics but also create a powerful visual effect, making the car look ready to leap forward even when standing still. Honda has also thoughtfully retained classic features such as the short rear end, slanted rear window, and sloping C-pillar, all of which revive the sporty essence of a true Prelude. The slim LED taillights stretching across the rear visually widen the car, making the back appear broader and more stable. A large rear bumper with black trim details and a faux diffuser adds a muscular touch while hinting at the performance hidden within. Large alloy wheels, ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on the version, are designed in multi-spoke or turbine-style patterns, bringing a modern and refined look. Additionally, Honda is expected to offer a variety of premium paint color options, with standout hues like sporty crimson red, metallic midnight blue, and platinum white pearl, enhancing the appeal of this coupe. Overall, the exterior design of the 2026 Honda Prelude is a clear testament to Honda's simplicity and something philosophy, minimalistic yet full of emotion. This will undoubtedly be a head-turner wherever it rolls on the streets. 2. Interior and amenities, a blend of sportiness and luxury. The 2026 Honda Prelude not only makes a strong impression with its sporty exterior but also wins over users with a meticulously crafted interior space, where sophistication, technology, and convenience converge in every detail. Inspired by two iconic models in the Honda family, the Civic and Acura Integra, the interior of the 2026 Prelude is a harmonious blend of sporty spirit and luxurious class. Every line in the cabin is designed to provide a focused driving experience while ensuring maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. The center console is a standout feature with a large floating touchscreen display, expected to range from 9 to 12 inches. Following modern trends, the interface is intuitive, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, integrated navigation, voice control, and a premium multimedia entertainment system. Behind the steering wheel is a fully digital instrument cluster, clearly displaying speed, fuel level, hybrid battery status, and other driving information, all customizable according to the driving mode. The three-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel features convenient function buttons, emphasizing sportiness. The driver can easily adjust volume, answer calls, or switch display modes on the digital cluster without taking their hands off the wheel. All seats are upholstered in premium leather with prominent stitching and contrasting tones, creating a premium and personalized feel. The front seats are body-hugging in design with back and thigh support for high-speed cornering and include heating and cooling functions depending on the version. The driver's seat also features multi-way power adjustment, memory settings, and electronic lumbar support, a major plus for long journeys. Interior materials include soft leather, brushed aluminum, and glossy black or faux carbon fiber trim details, enhancing the sporty and modern feel. The LED ambient lighting system allows color customization to suit preferences, contributing to a cabin atmosphere that is both cozy and futuristic. The rear luggage space is optimized despite the coupe form, and the rear seats can fold flat to expand cargo capacity when needed. The dual-zone automatic climate control system maintains stable temperatures, while USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system, possibly Bose or Bang & Olufsen depending on the version, deliver vibrant entertainment and superior convenience. With such an interior, the 2026 Honda Prelude is not just a car to drive, it's a space to enjoy. The combination of sportiness and luxury, technology and emotion, makes this coupe a top choice for those who love speed but still want to retain sophistication and comfort in every moment behind the wheel. 3. Engine and performance. A balance between power and efficiency. The 2026 Honda Prelude introduces a new step in the philosophy of sustainable sports car development, as this legendary coupe is equipped with a hybrid powertrain for the first time, delivering both power and fuel efficiency while being environmentally friendly. At the heart of the 2026 Prelude is a combination of a 2.0 LDOHCI-4 Atkinson cycle gasoline engine and a powerful electric motor. Similar to the configuration used in Honda's current hybrid models such as the Accord E, HEV and the latest CR-V hybrid. The total output is expected to reach approximately 204 horsepower and nearly 335 Newton-meters of torque. Enough to deliver a sporty and exhilarating driving experience when needed. Notably, Honda has fine-tuned the hybrid system to better suit the sporty orientation of the Prelude. When accelerating from a standstill, the electric motor provides maximum support, allowing the car to surge forward smoothly with virtually no delay. At higher speeds, the gasoline engine takes the lead role while recharging the hybrid battery, ensuring continuous and efficient operation. The 2026 Prelude still uses front-wheel drive, FWD, however. Honda has upgraded the traction control system and vehicle stability assist, VSA, to ensure stability in sharp corners or slippery road conditions. Some sources suggest that Honda may offer an electronic all-wheel drive option, AWDE, 4WD, in higher-end versions in the near future, to increase traction and enhance the driving experience. One notable feature is Honda's introduction of the all-new S+ shift system, considered a bridge between the traditional eCVT transmission and the feel of sporty gear shifting. This system allows the driver to simulate gear changes via paddle shifters on the steering wheel, creating a more engaged feel when cornering or needing quick overtakes on the highway. While it is not the traditional manual transmission many fans hoped for, S+ Shift is still a commendable effort by Honda to preserve the original sporty spirit of the Prelude line. Additionally, Honda has equipped various driving modes such as Eco, Normal, and Sport. In Sport mode, the hybrid system prioritizes power while adjusting steering and throttle responses for quicker, more precise feedback, ideal for those who enjoy a strong and thrilling driving sensation. With a combination of powerful performance, excellent fuel economy, and an emotional driving experience, the 2026 Honda Prelude promises to be not only an attractive sports coupe but also a new symbol of the intersection between performance and sustainable technology. 4. Technology and safety. A new standard for a modern sports coupe. Not only does it stand out in terms of design and performance, the 2026 Honda Prelude also embodies a new generation of smart and safe sports cars. Leading the segment, Honda has equipped this model with a series of advanced technologies to elevate the driver's experience on every journey, from busy urban streets to high-speed highways. At the heart of the Prelude 2026's active safety system is the Honda Sensing Suite, a comprehensive driver assistance package that has been proven across many Honda models worldwide. This system includes Forward collision warning, FCW, uses cameras and radar to detect the risk of a collision with vehicles ahead and warns the driver in time. Collision mitigation braking system, CMBS, automatically applies the brakes if the driver fails to respond to a dangerous situation. Lane keeping assist system, LKAS, keeps the car in the correct lane. Especially useful on highways. Lane departure warning, LDW, detects and alerts if the car unintentionally veers out of its lane. Adaptive cruise control, ACC, automatically maintains a safe distance from the vehicle in front and can operate at low speeds. Reducing stress in urban driving. Traffic sign recognition, TSR, helps the driver stay informed about speed limits and important traffic signs. In addition, the 2026 Honda Prelude is equipped with supplementary safety features such as 360-degree camera and front, rear parking sensors, providing maximum support when reversing or parking in tight spaces. Rear cross traffic alert, RCTA, extremely useful when backing out of a parking spot. Blind spot information system, BSI, helps reduce risks when changing lanes. In terms of convenience technology, the 2026 Prelude does not disappoint. At the center of control is a next-generation, high-resolution touchscreen display that supports wireless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing the driver quick access to apps like Maps, music, calls, and messages. The system also integrates the Honda AI virtual assistant, capable of being controlled with natural voice commands and understanding complex spoken instructions. The car is also equipped with wireless charging, high-speed USB-C ports for both front and rear seats, and stable Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Depending on the version, the 2026 Prelude can be equipped with a premium sound system from Bose or Bang & Olufsen with multiple speakers placed throughout the cabin, delivering a theater-like audio experience. Finally, it's worth mentioning the over-the-air OTA software update feature, keeping the infotainment, control, and safety systems updated with the latest patches and features without needing to visit a dealership. In summary, the 2026 Honda Prelude is not just a coupe to drive with passion, but also a smart, safe, and fully equipped vehicle, perfectly suited for the needs of modern users, especially the tech-savvy and connected generation. 5. Price and launch date. A reasonable price for the return of a legend. With the highly anticipated return of the legendary Honda Prelude coupe, many car enthusiasts are particularly interested in the official price and the launch timeline of this model. According to several reputable automotive sources such as Car and Driver and Motor Trend, the expected price of the 2026 Honda Prelude will range from $31 to $38, depending on the specific variant and equipment. The starting price of around $31 for the standard version is considered quite competitive compared to rivals in the compact hybrid sports coupe segment, such as the Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ, or even the base versions of the Nissan Z. With this price range, Honda is targeting a younger demographic, those passionate about speed but still prioritizing technology, fuel efficiency, and a modern lifestyle. The higher-end versions, equipped with features such as a Bose sound system, power-adjustable leather seats, ambient interior lighting, larger wheels, and advanced driving assistance systems, will be priced close to $38. Although it is a two-door coupe, the 2026 Prelude promises to be a value-for-money option thanks to its premium design, leading safety technologies, and powerful yet economical hybrid powertrain. As for the launch timeline, Honda has yet to officially announce a release schedule. However, according to the company's product development roadmap, the 2026 Prelude is expected to be officially unveiled in the second half of 2025, possibly at a major event such as the Tokyo Motor Show or the Los Angeles Auto Show. Shortly thereafter, the car will begin distribution at global dealerships from late 2025 or early 2026. The return of the Honda Prelude not only holds symbolic significance for the brand but also reflects Honda's ambition to redefine the sports coupe segment with a product that balances performance, technology, and economic value. With a forecasted accessible price point and a well-timed launch window in late 2025 early 2026, The Prelude is poised to be a strategic card for Honda to recapture driving enthusiasts in an era dominated by EVs and SUVs. The return of the 2026 Honda Prelude marks a significant step for Honda in blending sporting heritage with modern technology. With an alluring design, convenient interior, efficient hybrid drivetrain, and advanced safety technologies, the Prelude 2026 promises to be an appealing choice for those seeking a mid-range sports coupe.